Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we make English simple and fun. Today we're diving into a crucial part of English grammar, prepositions. What are they? Why are they so tricky? And how can you master them with ease? Stick around because by the end of this video you'll understand prepositions like never before. Let's begin. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Prepositions are small words like in, on, at, by, under, over, but they do big jobs. They tell us where something is when something happens and even how two things are related. For example, the cat is on the table. We met at the cafe. The keys are in the drawer. Each preposition adds specific detail. It answers questions like where, when, how. Now let's move on to the types of prepositions. There are different types of prepositions, and knowing them helps you use them correctly. First one is preposition of place or position. For example, the book is on a shelf. The keys are under the couch. Next one is prepositions of time. Let's understand with examples. I'll call you in the morning. He's been waiting since the noon. Next one is prepositions of time. For example, she walked into the room. He drove to the station. And the last one is prepositions of manner, cause, and instrument. For example, the letter was written by her. He cut the paper with scissors. Let's move on to the section 3. Here are a few common mistakes English learners make with prepositions and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Saying in the bus instead of on the bus. The right way to say is I'm on the bus. I am on the bus, not in. We always say on for public transport. Mistake number 2. Saying married with instead of married to. The right way to say is she is married to him. Mistake number 3. Another mistake that people often make is confusing at, on, in, for time. But don't worry, you just need to remember this. We use at for exact time, at 5 p.m. On for specific days. For example, on Monday, on my birthday. And lastly, we use in for months, years, and longer periods, like in June or in 2023. And now moving on to the section 4 of this video. Here's how you can get better at using prepositions naturally. Learn prepositions in phrases, not in isolation. Say interested in, good at, afraid of, instead of just learning in, at, and of. Practice with real examples. Read books, watch shows, and notice how native speakers use prepositions. And do short quizzes and daily challenges. Even 5 minutes a day can help you make big progress. Now it's your turn. I'll give you a sentence with a missing preposition. You fill in the blank. She lives in London. We arrived at the airport at 9. The dog is hiding under the sofa. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. To make things easier, here's a preposition chart you can use as a reference. Prepositions may be small, but they're mighty. Keep practicing and soon they'll come naturally. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.